Okay, so I'm Al-Hassan Umar, the Vice President of LEAD Program. I'll be talking about the mentorship program under T.E.I, which is LEAD Program, which basically means the leadership, empowerment, and development, with the main aim of assisting students in acquiring leadership positions in an organization. Leadership is actually not about the position, but it's about the action you put in place. Thank you.
I am Ate Abigail, the Marketing Officer for the LEAD Program. Tebah Educational Initiative, TEI, is a non-governmental organization which seeks to provide students with the opportunity to excel in their education for the betterment of their country and the world at large. Thank you.
Hello, lovely viewers. I am Sally Abba Asifua, the President for LEAD. So this year we decided to name our project TEI LEAD NKONSONSON project because we wanted to show our proud roots in that we are young Ghanaians who are passionate about offering helping hands to the community. To showcase our roots, uphold charity, giving and helping the needy. So a little story about the Edinkra symbol in Nkonsonson. Chain link or Nkonsonson is an Edinkra symbol that originates from Asantes in Ghana. It represents charity and teamwork. It's an expression of the idea of helping others, building community and offering charity. With this in mind, we named our project TEI LEAD Project NKONSONSON.
That is why we are appealing to you to help us in this noble cause. Donations can be made in cash and in kind. All forms of donations in cash should be made to our Momo number on 020-9965-247. And also, you can call 020-9965-247 for any form of donation that will be made in kind, and we'll be right there to pick it up. Thank you for joining this noble cause.